আজি samla khoboti Indo Myanmar border area te alag hadsa ulai thakya karni central government khantu free movement regime FMR hatai digena border area te fencing lagai dibole plan kuri thakya upote Rising People's Party RPP khan awas uthagena oppose kuri dia ase. State Department of Border Affairs khan laga record hesab ti Nagaland state to 215 km Myanmar logena international border share kuri thakya pailoi ase aro central government khan laga aim to li 16 km ahaja kurubole visa proposal ekla nohogena border area ti fencing lagagena high security construction kurubole bhapna kuri thakya RPP khan statement kuri dia ase. Naga manu khan tu bishibhag geographically bhag kurigena thakya ase itu karni naga manu macheti bhag kurubole proposal accept na kurubo aro ki laga policy loigena bhag kurubole koshish kulepi tooth and nail oppose kurubo kogena RPP khan awas uthai dia ase. Creation of Nagaland state 1963 bra loigena ajtak ti free movement regime alag rasta te kurigena aija shekogena RPP khan point out kuri dia ase itu karni RPP khan tu Prime Minister Modi ke address kurigena naga manu noholipi zo khuti manu khan ki free rakhibole koi dia ase. Aro Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh laga communal policy logina central government excuse lobole na parbo koi dia ase aro RPP khan tu NDPP BJP coalition government of Nagaland khan ki FMR strongly oppose kurigena necessary thakshe koili 60 MLAs khan tu Prime Minister Modi na holepi Union Home Minister Amit Shah ke lukugena fencing laga issue hatabole RPP khan awas uthai dia ase kili free movement regime laga issue tu naga manu karni ekta important thakyan mite koi dia ase. Next government formation karni central political leaders khan sobra taratari kam kur thakya uphoti Congress leadership Mallikarjun Kharge aro Rahul Gandhi kugena ai thakya Lok Sabha election karni 255 seat focus kugena ja thakya Congress party khan jonai dia ase. Congress khan last statement ti 2019 election compare hisab te iman kumti kurloise ko ase aro itu decision loi thakya tuli India alliance logena seat sharing nimite ko ase aro seat sharing tuli particularly state of Delhi, Punjab, West Bengal aro UP te thakibo ko ase. 2019 election ti Congress party khan 421 seat contest kugena 52 seat jidiloisha aro Delhi iman kumti thakyan miti itu sal laga election te Congress khan tu 255 seat target kurubole decision loi ase aro India alliance kugena seat sharing hisab ti government formation kurubole Congress khan jonai dia ase. Next khobor enforcement directorate ED khan tu ration scam karni ruling Trinamool Congress TMC block level functionaries laga residence West Bengal North 24 Parganas district te aha sat manu bishi jama kurlogena team opor attack kudisha kogena report dia ase. Sources te ED khan tu Friday dinbra central security force logena block level leaders aro khandan khan laga gor red kuri ase aro scam laga case connection ti state food minister Jyoti Priya Malik arrest kuloise kogena khobor dia ase. Report attack to NIA team khan repeatedly call kugena response na kura karni dor phangbole koshish kura tamti XO opor mota mati khan bahar ula jasha aro slogan hala kugena ED official gari phangai disha aro tatebra pola jagena ED khan tu Kolkata wapas kuloise ko ase. Assam state Pitorti 48 hour strike joint forum of transporters union khanbra notun permit of law hit and run cases karni protest kuthakya commercial aro models of public transport khan sob road area ti khali kuri thakya witness kurbo pare ase. Transporters union khan 48 hours strike karni buses taxi aro app laga cab khan sob aha ja na kura issue miti office ja khan transport karni duk digdar pa thakya ko ase aro itu strike ja thakya issue toli state government khan road repair na kurgena accident hatsa hoilipi driver opor blame kuri thakya mite protest kuri thakya Assam Motor Worker Association convener jonai dia ase